So I'm back up on my mate's place, and we've finally going to get round to making the cupboard doors. Going to be very, very simple about it. So hopefully we'll get them done today. Let's go and make something.
Did all the building work. Done.
Oh, I didn't know it was both sides.
Done.
That's not scratched though.
Yeah, both sides are scuffed. It's fine.
Oh no,
Yeah.
look, I fixed it.
Oh, I thought it was just the one side.
Well, 880.
Leave a bit more room in case you get a rubber mat to stand on. Like those.
Yeah. So I reckon we go 820, and we'll just split the gap, because then
I can't remember how we made this. Oh yeah, that's right.
I'm going to put blocks here for where the cupboard doors.
Didn't we already make those?
Stop blocks. No, we talked about it.
We talked
And this
about
one's
it.
going to 900 centres. So 450 doors. 820. 16. 43.
We just had.
You had that?
And then 450 that way. And then 450 that way.
All 50 that way? So you're going to get like maybe 6 doors?
You won't get the second doors out of this.
But you can get one more.
Unless we make them,
Oh, no, you can
unless we make them 18.
So what's the measurement there?
That's 800. The rest of them are 820.
820.
So do 2 440 divided by 3. And then cuts.
823 it should be. Thickness of your blade.
42. 2 440.
Yeah.
2 440 divided by 3.
Use one of
It's
those.
813.3 to the centre. That's 18.
18 is.
These are cuts. 10 mil there.
Yeah, that line there, you mean?
That's roughly the centre of it.
Yep.
Ish. Doesn't matter. Start cutting.
Oh.
And go. Safety first. There we go. You won't be able to hear a thing now. Hopefully, that masking tape. Oh, it's
Not too bad. You can always run a
marking pen.
I'm just going to paint the edges.
Don't get me to measure, you measure. It's your thing.
You're not reaching any further. Cut. You want to give me all the blame? So 150.
150.
There's always one in a crowd, isn't there?
So many 150s in this world.
Hopefully. Shim.
The top gap was good.
Better. So we got that one sorted. So we're just gonna move on over and do the next ones. And this is how cheap and nasty he is. He's just spraying the ends of them to make them look good.
That's beautiful.
Oh gee bro, we got to paint up our, cover up our it's a garage for crying out loud. We don't have to have it pruned, it's not a kitchen. We did have a few issues lining them up, but it's not 100% straight, but hey, it's pretty close, isn't it? Pretty close. And all we've got to really do, I'll show it on this one.
Catches on the doors.
Yeah, we're gonna, once he's finished painting that, we're gonna put a block, eventually we'll put a block up in here with a bit of metal on it, and then on the actual doors we'll put some rare earth magnets and they'll just lock in. So as you can see there's a bit of a gap there, the way they're hung, so the block will just lock onto the rare earth magnet. So thanks for watching, I'll catch you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.